happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, shake your legs. If you're happy and you know it, shake your legs. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shake your legs. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers.
Hello, my grade 2 students. Welcome to our online class. It's me again, Teacher Ray, and we are going to learn the vocabulary. Let's go! So, our vocabulary for this day, we have fertilizers. Fertilizer, a substance that contains nutrients for plants. Next, germinate. Germinate, a process of a seed growing into a seedling. A process of a seed growing into a seedling. Next, nutrient. Nutrient, a substance. Okay, last time we discussed about how to take care or care for plants. Okay, care for plants. If you are growing some fruit, trees and vegetables in your garden, you should do as follows. Number 1, plow the soil to loosen it. Roots grow easily in loosened soil. So you have to plow the soil so that the roots will grow easily. That's step number 1. Next, water the plants if it had not been raining for a few days. You put water if the plants had not been raining for a few days. Pull out weeds and control pests. The weeds and pests will affect the growth of your plants. Again, pull out weeds and control pests. The weeds and pests will affect the growth of your plants. Next, add fertilizer occasionally to ensure the plants have enough nutrients to grow well. Again, add fertilizers occasionally to ensure the plants have enough nutrients to grow well. You have to put the fertilizer not every day, once a month or twice a month, not every day, because fertilizer is very hot, and we can if we put the fertilizer to the plants will die because of the hotness of the fertilizer. Okay, next thing. If you are growing some potted plants, you should do as follows. Meaning, if you plan to grow plants in a pot, you should do as follows. Like this, you put the plants in a pot. Place the potted plants in areas with adequate sunlight, and they need sunlight to make food. So after that, you put water and the potted plants regularly, but not too much. Let the girl, she puts the water to the plants, not too much. Then after that, you put the fertilizers occasionally too. Outside, not every day, not every day. So, what is the life cycle of the flowering plants? This is our topic for today. So, what is the life cycle? Okay. It comes from the seed. That's number one. It comes from the seed. Look in the picture. We can call it seed. Spell please. S-E-E-D. S-E-E-D. Seed. Seed. Okay, look at the seeds. The plant is called seed. Number two, seedling. Seedling. From here, from seed to seedling. This is called seedling. It's germinating. So meaning, after you put the seed, this seed to the plants, to the soil, and cover it. After 3 days, it became seedling, like this. It has a root. We call it germinating. The process of germinating. Okay, look at the seedling. Okay. Seed to seedling. And it become young plant. Young plant. So look at the young plant here. From seed to seedling, and then young plant. And after the young plant, it will become adult plant. That's number 4 cycle. Adult plant with flowers. An adult plant with fruits. So, life cycle of a green pea plant. Okay, let us understand what is the life cycle from the seed to the seedling. Very good. From seed to seedling, and then it processes to young plant. Process 1, process 2, and process 3. Seed, seedling, young plant, and then to the adult plant with flowers and with fruits. These are the life cycle of a green pea plant. Green peas, from seed, root, from seed, seedling, young plant, and adult plant with flowers and fruits. Next. And it goes back and cycle. And then go back to seed again, seedling, young plant, adult plant, and go back again, seed, seedling, young plant, adult plant. It has a cycle. It has a cycle. Okay, next, life cycle of a flowering plant. Okay, let us understand first. First is seed. Next is seedling. Next is young plant. Next is adult plant, and so on and so forth. Life cycle of a balsam plant. Okay, from the seed, start from the seed. The seeds in the fruits germinate into seedlings when the conditions are right. And it will become seedling and grow into a young plant. And next, the adult plant produces flowers, and the flowers produce fruits. From here, seedling, and it becomes a seed, and then seedling, and then young plant, and this one is adult plant. So those are the life cycle of balsam or any plant that has seed. Okay. What is the first cycle? The first cycle is seed. What is the second cycle? Second cycle is seedling. Next, the third cycle is young plant. And the fourth cycle is adult plant. Okay, I have a question. What is the fourth cycle? Okay, take your time. What is the fourth cycle? What is the name of that cycle? The fourth cycle of a plant. It is a adult plant. What is the second cycle of a plant? The second cycle is seedling. You got it right. Next, what is the first cycle? It is a seed. And what is the third cycle? It is a young plant. This fourth cycle of a plant is process from the first one: seed, seedling, young plant, and adult plant. It cycles from first to fourth and go back to first and go to second, third, and fourth. Have a quiz. Okay, get your paper and pencil, and you write it there. Life cycle of a green pea plant. Okay, you can pause this video. Okay, all you have to do is draw a life cycle of a green plant. Okay, draw this from seed to a seedling, and then draw this, and then you draw also the arrow, and draw also the seedling. You draw a life cycle of a green pea plant. Okay, you draw now. Start. And then after that, you draw this young plant. Then an adult plant. Put an arrow. Okay. You can pause this video so that you can draw. Okay. Draw this, please. And after you draw, you take a picture and send it to the line so that I can check that you draw the life cycle of a green pea plant. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned something from me. Okay, until then, see you again next time. Bye bye.